Welcome to the Systems Thinker, a video series to help you know the whole, focus on the constraint and reach your goal. The typical image of manufacturing is a factory full of machines cranking out widgets. It mistakes the production line for the reality of what modern manufacturing is. When we think of manufacturing in today's world, we need a new mental model that considers all phases of a product and service, from the conception of the idea through to a full range of whole-of-lifecycle services. Our concept must cover cradle to grave to remain relevant in a world that grows increasingly intolerant of externalizing environmental and social impact. Modern manufacturing therefore includes research and development, design, inbound logistics, production, distribution, sales, and after-sales services. Back in the 1970s and before, we could gain most of the value in the logistics, production, and distribution phases of the product life cycle. China and other developing countries had not yet become the powerhouses they now are in doing advanced production. Today, the value levers are all based on the exploitation of knowledge. Our competitive is a function of the rate at which we innovate. Innovation is not the fancy new product, but is rather the ability to apply knowledge to the delivery of additional value and wealth. Underpinning this is the rate at which people working in and with your organization learn new ways of thinking, being, and doing. Imagine an operating philosophy with methods and tools that span the range of activities already listed: R&D, design, inbound logistics, production, distribution, sales, and after-sales services. Well, there is one, and only one. That is the theory of constraints. TOC is the only operating philosophy that has a consistent and coherent body of knowledge across the disciplines of critical thinking, management accounting, project management, production management, and distribution management. Why is TOC so powerful? Because it's a systems thinking approach that allows you to know the whole, then focus on the constraint. Have you looked into your organization through these lenses yet? To learn more about my practical course for systems thinkers, click the link in the comments below.